How to change your name in RunwayML. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to fix your profile details in Runway mobile app, then here's how you can easily change your name quickly. First of all, launch open the RunwayML application on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu button. And once you do, in this pop-up menu, tap on your current username at the bottom and then click on personal information. Now go ahead and write down your first name and then your last name. Go ahead and update that and click on save. And you have changed your name in the RunwayML application. And there you have your name updated at the top. So there you have it. It's super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.